Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to do a heart bun hairstyle. I've seen this a lot on TikTok and I think the tutorial I found was on TikTok, but then the version I did, I kind of changed it a little bit and added some things and yeah, and actually, you know, maybe people want it on YouTube rather than just a TikTok, but I will be posting on TikTok as well. So yeah, it's a super easy kawaii hairstyle. I've never been a huge fan of hairstyling, but when I find a hairstyle that's easy, I tend to do it a lot. I had this hairstyle for literally like 8 years or something. I just discovered like the beehive and never went back. I did stop wearing that hairstyle a while ago, but when I find a hairstyle I like, I do it a lot. So yeah, let's get into this. So what you're gonna need, let me grab my tools. You'll need a hairbrush. Doesn't matter what kind of hairbrush it is as long as it gets the tangles out. I love this tangle teaser thingy. It's not like a regular tangle teaser, it's by Head Jog. My hairdresser gets them and they're really good, and they just brought out this version which is for thicker hair, and now I can't go back to using a regular hairbrush because like my head has gotten used to this. So if you haven't got like one of these like nice hairbrushes, I recommend them very much. It might also be useful to have one of those combs that has like a pointy end because we're going to be splitting our parting in the middle. You're going to need 4 hairbands, and I would recommend getting some that match your outfit. And I'm actually going to be using, I haven't tried this hairstyle with these yet, but I'm going to try and use bow hair ties I've got from Big Pink Boutique. So I'm going to try and see how they look. I think they will look quite nice. And then in my version I added some butterfly clips at the end. I just got a massive pack of like assorted rainbow butterfly clips on AliExpress like ages ago, and I use them over and over. I use them all the time. I've used them in so many different looks. So they're really cheap, so I do just recommend getting like a big pack of them if you know that you're gonna wear them over and over again. I think it's nice because they come in different colours, so like I can pick ones that match my outfit. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this off with some butterfly clips. That's everything you need. If you're gonna be wearing it like out, probably some hairspray. And I like the Got To Be Glued hairspray. So like I said before, hairbands that actually match your outfit are gonna make this look a lot better. So I've got these 4 purple hairbands. First step, obviously brush your hair and make sure there's no tangles. Then you're gonna split your hair down the middle. Now mine is very bad at the minute. If you had one of those pointy comb things, this is the point where you brush it all forward like this from your crown, and then just go straight like this with your comb and split it like that. I can't tell if mine's actually straight or not. So I'm just gonna go and do this off camera quickly because my lighting in here is really blinding. I can't actually see. Wasn't that far off, was it? It was right. So yeah, I've just gone in the mirror and just double checked that it's actually in the middle. So once you've got this, a lot of people will take a top section of their hair like this and do a ponytail and do a ponytail. I like to actually keep the front section of my hair out. So instead of taking all of this hair and doing a ponytail, what I do is obviously just keep a section like this outside and then make a ponytail with the rest. Just get your hairbrush like that. Do a ponytail or a bunch, whatever you call it, but don't do it secure like this to the head. Do it so, do it tight, but so you can still kind of move it if you need. So it should just kind of be like this. Not very pretty, but like that's how it should look. Then do the same on the other side. Again, just try and keep like a, ooh, oh my god. Just try and keep like a similar section, size section hair out. Sometimes what I do to try and work out where, to make sure the bunches are even, I'll like run both my fingers along like where the one I've done is. Try and get them obviously as symmetrical as you can, but don't worry too much at this stage. As I said, I can't really see what I'm doing. Maybe I should have put a mirror in here. So now you've got 2 bunches like this. They're not very even. Yeah, that's fine. If you've come this far, you're like 50% done. Because what you're going to do now is take one of your bunches and split your hair in half, like this. Can you guess what you do next? You want to tie it like that. And this one is going to be tighter to your head. So when you tie it, this can honestly be kind of tricky. It's kind of fiddly. So what I do is I take my 2 fingers, them under like that, and then I make like a bunch out of the whole thing, and I can adjust it afterwards, and then I tie it like close to my head, like this, and then I can just put that to the back. Again, the tighter you tie it, the less wiggle room you've got to adjust it afterwards. So that looks kind of meh. Then what you can do, you see you've got 2 hairbands. You can move the top one up and change the shape of the heart. You can move your hair forward a little bit if you want them more forward. So you can just play around with it and get it how you like it. And then you just do the same on the other side. I prefer mine to be more like forward rather than back. So before I even tie this one, I'm gonna move the bunch closer to my hairline. It's harder to adjust once you've got 2 hairbands in, but it is possible, so, you know, believe, achieve. I think this one looks pretty nice from what I can see. As I said, I can't see perfect, but I think this one looks pretty nice. And you can see why I said get hairbands that match your outfit. See, I think I've pulled this one a bit too much now. I need to rein it in a bit. I feel like a Teletubby. Okay, then we'll do the second one. Wow, okay, from what I can see, this one looks so ugly in comparison. I'm just gonna redo it. That's the thing, if it doesn't come out right, like, just redo it. It takes a couple tries sometimes, and that's fine. You get the gist. I'm gonna, again, fix this off camera because I just can't see what I'm doing. And then when I come back, I'll show what I'm doing with the rest of my hair. So I think this is as good as I'm gonna get it for today. So if I was going out, what I would do is spray both of the hearts, and then that way you can also, you see where I've got like loose hairs? If I was spraying it, I could just spray it until that was all secure. Do you know what I mean? But I'm not, I'm just showing you how to do it today. So the next step, I'm actually gonna try and add these hearts because I think that's gonna look so cute. As I said, I make these myself. If you wanted to buy some, the website is Big Pink Boutique. I'm doing this right at the bottom. You might need to go out and adjust again after. I might need to go out and adjust it again after I've put these in. When you're doing it, yeah, you might need to, after you've put this in, maybe just go back and make sure you're still happy with the shape and everything. But I think this is kind of adorable. So that's kind of absolutely adorable. Final step, I'm gonna add the butterfly clips. So I think the one I did before, I actually clipped, so I didn't have these in, but I think I clipped my hair back up somehow, like this, between the hearts, and then had it kind of coming down at the back. But I think with the bows in, that's not going to really work. So this time I'm just going to clip my hair like back. And this means like I can keep my hair in the front here, but also kind of have it out of my face, which is good because whether it's, you know, the wind or if you're just busy, it's just handy to not have your hair in your face. I think with kawaii styles, more is more, especially if you're going for like a decor look. So I'm gonna add another pair. And honestly, I think that's good how it is, but if you were gonna go like full decor, you could add, I've done it in the past where I've just added like so many butterfly clips, but I think that's kind of cute. If there's any other hairstyles you want to see me do, please let me know. I did do a tutorial on how to make your hair look like a bow, and it's in the latest issue of Big Pink Pages. Yeah, I did a hair tutorial in this issue. I won't spoil it. If you want your hair to look like this, then get the latest magazine. And then I also have that hairstyle that I did the tutorial for in our photo shoot. I did the photo shoot on a different day to the day that I shot the tutorial, so you can see how it's come out 2 different ways. So yeah, just let me know what you want to see, and maybe I'll get around to doing it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Be safe. Mwah. Oh, and subscribe. That would be pretty cool if you subscribed. Bye.